Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
How I mastered English at home, a simple, clear, and inspiring English lesson for you. I didn't master English in one day. I started slowly, just like planted a seed. Every day I spent 10 to 15 minutes learning new words and practicing short sentences. Small daily practice is more powerful than big, rare practice. Example: today I learned 3 new words. I watched 10 minutes of an English video. Even tiny steps move you forward. I didn't use difficult textbooks. I used things I enjoyed: songs, movies, short stories, YouTube videos, cartoons. I listened, repeated, and tried to copy how they speak. Lesson tip: if you enjoy the lesson, your brain learns faster. Try this. Watch a simple English video, like a kid's story or a blog, and repeat 1 or 2 sentences. Speak out loud. Even when alone, I practice speaking to myself at home. Yes, it feels funny, but it works. Examples to practice. I am making breakfast. Today I feel excited. I want to improve my English every day. Lesson tip: your mouth must get used to English sounds. Don't wait for someone to talk with you. You can practice anytime. I kept a tiny notebook. Every day I wrote 3 to 5 sentences. Example: today I learned the word confident. I feel proud of my progress. I watched an English movie. I reviewed old words and sentences again and again until they became natural for me. There were days I felt tired, days I thought my English wasn't good, but I kept going. I reminded myself every day I practice, I am getting better. Mastering English at home may seem difficult, but with consistent practice, smart strategies, and the right mindset, it becomes not only possible but enjoyable. The following lesson explains the methods, habits, and techniques that helped me achieve fluent English without attending formal classes. Before developing skills, I asked myself why I wanted to learn English. My goal was simple: to speak confidently. Daily mini practice schedule: 10 minutes listening, podcasts, videos, songs; 10 minutes reading, articles, news, short stories; 10 minutes speaking, shadowing technique; 10 minutes writing, journaling, notes, summaries. Just 40 minutes per day transformed my skills. Improving listening skills. Listening is the foundation of language. How I trained my listening: watched English movies with subtitles. Switched to English YouTubers. Listened to slow speed English podcasts. Repeated speech using the shadowing method. Speaking as the speaker talks. Over time, I trained my ears and increased listening speed. Speaking at home can be challenging, but I found simple ways. Method 1: talking to myself. I described my surroundings, plans, or feelings in English. I am preparing lunch. Today I want to practice vocabulary. I feel excited about learning. Method 2: shadowing technique. I chose a video and spoke at the same time as the speaker. This improvement: accent, pronunciation, fluency, confidence. Method 3: recording my voice. I recorded 1 to 2 minutes daily and compared it weekly. This helped me hear mistakes I didn't notice before. I avoided memorizing long lists. Instead, I used vocabulary in context. How I did it: learned 5 to 10 new words daily, wrote simple sentences using each word. Reading is one of the strongest tools for fluency. My reading sources: short English stories, news websites, online articles. English children's books, simple and helpful. This improved my vocabulary. grammar, and general understanding without effort. Writing helps convert thoughts from your native language to English. Daily writing habits, journaling, writing summaries of videos or books, creating short stories, even writing 100 to 200 words daily helped my fluency grow faster. Mastery does not happen in a week. I reminded myself progress is slow but steady. Mistakes are normal. Consistency is more important than perfection. Let me tell you a short story. There was once a young learner named Amina who dreamed of speaking English fluently. She didn't have money for classes or tutors, and she lived far from schools. But she had one powerful resource, her small room, filled with curiosity and determination. Every morning, Amina opened her window and let the sunlight in. Then she opened her notebook and wrote, "Today I will learn something new." She started small. She listened to English songs and copied the lyrics into her notebook. She repeated each line softly until it felt natural in her mouth. In the afternoon, she watched her favorite English cartoons. She paused the video, repeated sentences, laughed at funny expressions, and practiced speaking out loud, even though nobody else could hear her. Her mother often passed by and asked, "Who are you talking to, Amina?" She would smile and say, "I am talking to my future." At night, Amina read simple English stories. She didn't understand every word, but she didn't stop. She believed that every page carried a piece of her dream. Weeks turned into months. Her pronunciation improved, her vocabulary grew, her confidence blossomed. One day she heard a tourist ask for directions in English. Without thinking, she stepped forward and replied fluently. The tourist smiled. "Your English is wonderful. Where did you learn it?" Mina looked down shyly and said, "In my room, but also in my heart." And that was the moment she realized she had mastered English, not because she had a teacher, but because she had passion, consistency, and faith in herself.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.